Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm enjoying myself honestly doing these videos from a different atmosphere, from the different side of the world, but the results and the business is still the same. So in order for me to get you the best content in this video, what we're going to talk about is traffic, how to get the best traffic sources to your offer, to your product, to your service, okay? And why is traffic so important? It is the life and the blood of our system, of the pro system, and all other systems that are there on the internet, including Facebook, including Google. It is all traffic sources, okay? We need to have the best traffic sources in order for us to actually see results in anything. So why do we need traffic? So why is traffic so important? Think of yourself. I want you to imagine yourself as a person who's selling or has something to give to a community. Are you gonna be shy and be in the back of the corner, in the angle where no one sees you? Or are you gonna go up front and say, hey, this is what I offer, this can solve the problem, you want it or not? People will say no, that's okay, but people will say yes, and that's what you're looking for. Don't worry about the amount of no's that you're gonna get, look for the amount of yeses that you're gonna get, okay? Forget about the no's. No's will always be there. Focus on the yeses. Let the yeses be known to everybody. Okay, so I'm on my Facebook right now. If you do want to contact me or just talk to me or leave some comments below in the description of this video, I'm going to give you guys statistics. Okay, first and foremost, there are over 200,000 people every single day going on the internet, going on Google and typing out make money online. There are people who are wanting to start their own business every single day, but they don't have the tools, they don't have the energy, and they don't have the time. So the pro system gives them an opportunity, right? But your system, your product or service might be solving a solution. I'm specifically talking in a make money online niche. In the health and fitness, there may be, I don't know, 60,000 people every single day looking for how to get six-pack abs. So that's another targeted audience that you're looking for. The reason why I'm telling you all of this is one of the traffic sources that I use, guys, is something that's called media purchase or media buys. Now, what does this mean? I explained it to you already if you paid attention, okay? So let me know in the comments below if you're paying attention what exactly a media buy is after this video, okay? To put it in simple words, it's when you click on the internet and you look. You're searching. You have an idea, you have a plan, you want to do something, and you're looking online for the solution. You go to a website and you see a banner, you see an ad that attracts you, and you say, hell yeah, I'm gonna go and click on that, and you click on it. That is a media buy. Okay, that is a media buy. So the source that I'm going to be talking about to you is specifically a source where it's media buy. It's not solo ad traffic. It's not people who already are interested, let's say in terms of make money online and know and are just on many people's list. These are people who are on nobody's list maybe, but they were attracted to the ad that they saw. Okay, now there's a place where you can actually buy this kind of traffic, which I find very useful because it converts highly. It doesn't come in all at once. It's real-time traffic, which means that they have to actually be interested and somebody has to go and click, click, click. So if you get 10 clicks per day, which means there are not many people who are clicking on that. If you get 20 clicks per day, oh man, this is good. So that's right, this is the right place to be. If they get 30 clicks, so you understand what I'm trying to say, it's real-time traffic, okay? You can never say exactly how much, but they will give you and they'll keep the traffic auto open until they reach that traffic amount that you have requested for. Okay, that's the brilliant side of it. So let's get into details. These are the three traffic sources that I personally are a go-to person for. You can find all of it in the pro system, which there is a link in the description of this video in case you want to check it out. Okay, and let's do drum roll for the big reveal. MLMleads.com. MLMleads.com. Now people say, hey, MLMleads.com means there's only multi-level marketing. No, it is a make money online or just any kind of online niche. They wanted to name their companies MLMleads.com because they were serving MLM companies before to get real-time traffic. Right now, they're serving any kind of home business, and this is fresh, real-time traffic. Okay, if you want to know more about the costs and everything else, it costs about $47 for around 40 clicks. It's a little more expensive than other traffic, but at the same time, you're guaranteed a certain amount of click. And this is something that, like I said, the quality of it is much higher, and I would really recommend you to go with this specific quality traffic source. I definitely have in my method a progression, right? I start off with Udemy because it's firstly the #1 place that people go to, and I have got good results from certain vendors in Udemy. You can actually sign up for Udemy, and if you want to know who my vendors are, who I go and contact, then you can let me know, and I'll send you over the links for them as well, okay? Just as a bonus for you guys. Then I say let it drip and build your list, right? Because this traffic trickles in. It trickles in, guys, okay? Place your first traffic order here. You click on it, and you go to your first traffic order. You can place it. Like I said, it costs around $47 US for 40 clicks, and it costs around 113 for around 80, and blah, blah, blah. It goes on and on and on. Okay, like I said, it's also a little more expensive, but at the same time, what do you want? Quality over quantity, right? This is definitely higher quality. So that's why I put it as a secondary source of traffic sources. And then I have the last traffic source, which is traffic for me, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video. I just want to concentrate on this, because if you are able to go from a Udemy solo ad to sending every single week or buying every single week, because if you're buying every single week means the whole month you'll be getting traffic in, trickling in every single day, okay? And if you're buying a high amount every single week, then you can average out your leads around 50 leads per day, 30 leads per day, 10 leads per day, whatever it is that you want per day, every single day for the entire month, if you do it the right way, okay? And this is where I want you to be. This is where I want you to reach, okay, to this section right here. So MLMleads.com is what I would suggest if for anybody who's getting started and wants real-time traffic and has a budget for it. Remember, my plan is simple, guys, okay? You have an advertising budget, you send perpetual traffic to your offer, and make sure that you have the selling process in place. Keep the foundations right, and you just need to focus on this aspect, which is traffic. My name is David Pino. Hope you enjoyed this video and you got live and awesome content from it. If you do, hit the subscribe button below. Hot traffic source, good traffic source, quality traffic source. If you don't know, if you don't believe me, test it out and you're going to see it for yourself. Have a great day. Link is in the description for anything that you want to work with me with. And I'm going to see you on the next video, guys.